Hi, for dinner tonight it's crab cakes. So I've been wanting to make some crab cakes for a while now. I haven't made them in years, but the recipe is very simple and I'll detail the ingredients as I go. There are several things here, but you're going to begin with half a pound of crab meat. So basically I'm using this brand of lump crab, and it's about a half a pound. We're going to add a quarter cup of red bell pepper and green bell pepper, a half a cup of onions, and 1 egg, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and then we're going to go ahead and add half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, so I've poured that on top. This is all going in the same bowl. We're going to then add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You're going to also add 1 teaspoon of mustard. A lot of people use Dijon mustard for this, so feel free to use that if you have that on hand, or the regular yellow mustard will work as well. Next, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and then we will add about a quarter teaspoon of lemon zest. So you're going to zest this lemon and add that all to the same bowl. The final ingredient is pepper to taste. If you need a measurement, I do about a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon, depending on what you like. You're going to go ahead and lay out parchment paper on a cookie sheet, because once you've mixed all the ingredients, like I'm doing here, we're going to go ahead and put those patties on the parchment. So I have just taken both hands and dived in here, and I'm mixing everything together. Now, once I feel like everything is combined, and it does take a few minutes because it's all one bowl, right? And so once everything is combined, I'm going to go ahead and begin to form my patties. And I believe about a half a pound will make 4 to 5 really healthy crab cakes. Okay, so I'm just forming them like you can see here, and placing them on the parchment paper. And so I think I ended up with 5. But what you're going to do next is go ahead and I've used some saran wrap, and I'm covering them because I'm going to refrigerate them for an hour so that all the ingredients will firm up. Once I've taken them out, I'm going to add them to a sizzling hot pan that has about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to fry them on both sides. I'm definitely wanting them to be golden brown. And once they are, brown on each side, you can go ahead and serve this. You can create a remoulade sauce or a mango salsa to go with it, or you can just have it plain like I'm having it here. But crab cakes are super easy to make, and I highly recommend them.